Friends and family and the technology that keeps us connected.
Hockey.
Football.
Family and God's blessings.
I've got this job here at Martin's, and they're a thriving company, so I look to keep my job for a very long time.
Family.
Awesome coworkers.
I'm thankful for family and I can still work while going to school.
Martin's potato rolls.
My daughter.
I'm thankful for the change of seasons and new adventures.
I'm thankful that the Steelers are 6-0 and that the Patriots are losing.
My job.
Family and friends.
Sports being back in 2020.
My family, friends, and health.
My friends, my family, and my husband.
Martin's family.
I'm thankful, to be alive since I've got my second pacemaker in and had appendicitis and it burst and I almost died. But I'm thankful to be alive.
Free country.
I'm thankful for my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, and my loving family, and the fact I live in a free country.
For my family and for my health.
Christmas.
I am very thankful for the forgiveness of sin and the fullness of grace.
I'm still alive. I'm still above 6 feet.
Family.
I'm thankful to work for a great company that I can live out my Christian values on a daily basis. Family and friends.
The love, kindness of others within the workplace, family, and friends.
My friends, my family, my job, my second family, MIS. Thankful for being able to come to work in this time, to be able to travel up and down the road with no problems or no issues, so.
My family and my dog.
Okay, I am thankful for my job, and especially over this time, lots of people didn't have one. I'm thankful for my family, especially my mom, she's my rock, and I'm thankful for a good boss.
Family.
I am thankful for answered prayers and children's laughter.